it seems the initial skepticism has melted away, and the industry giants are finally figuring out how to make these autonomous systems truly useful. We're talking about a major strategic pivot from the biggest names in the game. Meta, Microsoft, and Amazon are all doubling down, aggressively rethinking their entire product roadmaps to integrate these intelligent agents. This isn't just about chatbot gimmicks anymore. It's about building AI that can act on your behalf, manage complex tasks, and fundamentally change how you interact with technology. That's the future they're building right now. But the agent revival is just one piece of the puzzle. The global race for AI dominance has just been thrown a massive curveball, and it's coming from China. A company called DeepSeek has just released a new large language model that is turning heads everywhere. The early benchmarks are staggering. We're seeing performance that rivals, and in some cases even surpasses, OpenAI's latest and greatest models. But here's the real kicker. They're doing it at a fraction of the cost. This isn't just an incremental improvement, it's a potential game changer for the entire AI ecosystem. Suddenly, access to top-tier AI capabilities might not be limited to those with the deepest pockets. This development democratizes powerful AI, and you can bet that every startup and enterprise from Silicon Valley to Bangalore is paying close attention. While the US still holds a strong lead in foundational, cutting-edge research, this move from DeepSeek proves that the competition is no longer just nipping at its heels at right there, running alongside. The era of undisputed American dominance in AI might be coming to a close. This intense competition is forcing a strategic realignment across the board. The big tech behemoths are scrambling to adapt. Let's look at Meta. They're moving beyond social media feeds and are now trying to embed AI agents directly into your daily communications on WhatsApp and Messenger, aiming to create a personal assistant that knows you better than anyone. Microsoft is taking a similar approach, weaving its autonomous agents deeper into the fabric of Windows and Office 365, transforming them from passive tools into proactive collaborators. Think of a system that not only schedules your meetings but also prepares draft, agendas, and follow-up emails based on the context of your work. Then there's Amazon, which is leveraging its massive e-commerce and cloud infrastructure to build agents that can manage your entire shopping and home life. From restocking your pantry to optimizing your smart home devices for energy efficiency. And we can't forget Tesla. While they've always been about autonomy on the road, they're expanding that vision into robotics and home energy management, creating an interconnected ecosystem powered by intelligent agents. The message from the top is clear. The future isn't about flashy AI demos. The new trend is all about making AI invisible, integrated, and intensely personalized. It's about technology that works for you in the background, seamlessly enhancing your life without you even noticing it. This shift will have profound implications for every aspect of our society. Take education, for example. Personalized AI tutors will be able to adapt to each student's learning pace, providing tailored exercises and explanations. This is not a minor update. It addresses over 50 vulnerabilities, some of which were quite serious. If you own this tablet, you should install this update immediately to keep your data safe. It's a great reminder of the constant cat-and-mouse game between manufacturers and security threats. And it's good to see Samsung being proactive here. While we're on the topic of Samsung, the rumor mill for the next flagship is already churning at full speed. Whispers from supply chain sources suggest that the upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra might actually launch at a more affordable price point than its predecessor, the S25 Ultra. This would be a significant shift in strategy, especially in the premium smartphone market, where prices have been steadily climbing. Is Samsung feeling the pressure from competitors like DeepSeek on the software side and other hardware makers on price? It is possible they're looking to capture a wider market segment by offering top-tier specs without the top-tier price tag. We'll have to wait and see if these rumors pan out, but it's an exciting prospect for consumers. However, it's not all good news in the Android world. Over at Camp Xiaomi, their latest flagship, the 17 Pro Max, has received its official DxE Mark camera review. And the results are frankly disappointing. The device, which was heavily marketed for its photographic prowess, has failed to break into the global top 10. The review highlighted issues with color accuracy in low light and inconsistent autofocus performance. This is a tough blow for Xiaomi, which has been working hard to establish itself as a true premium player capable of competing with Apple and Samsung on camera quality. It just goes to show that impressive-looking hardware specs on paper don't always translate to real-world performance. The competition in mobile photography is brutal, and this time, it seems Xiaomi missed the mark. So, let's tie all of this together. What does it all mean for 2026? The key takeaway is that artificial intelligence is finally maturing. We are moving past the phase of pure hype and entering an era of practical, tangible solutions. The three pillars supporting this new era are clear: autonomous agents that act on our behalf, hyper-efficient models like DeepSeek that make powerful AI accessible to all, and the seamless integration of this technology into the devices and platforms we use every single day. The future of technology isn't some far-off concept. It's being written right now, in the code being deployed, the strategies being formed, and the products being launched. It's a thrilling, and slightly terrifying, time to be alive. And that's our look at the tech landscape for today. The pace of change is relentless, and we'll be here every day to help you make sense of it all. What are your thoughts on the AI agent revival? Are you excited about the prospect of a more affordable Galaxy flagship? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you found this update valuable, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on the latest global AI web and tech news. We'll see you tomorrow.